The Naughty Kitten. Once, a woman called Lil had a goldfish and a kitten. The kitten was called Lily and was naughty and had a shiny collar. The goldfish was called Lena. Lena had bright orange scales. One day, the goldfish was swimming in her bowl, and the kitten watched the goldfish from a chair. The kitten tried to balance on the fish bowl. The kitten fell into the bowl with a splash. Lena, the goldfish, was scared. Lil ran to the fish bowl and caught the kitten. The kitten was soaked wet. Lil got a towel and dried Lily up. The kitten was very happy. Lily never went near the fish bowl again.